Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well and you are safe at home. I hope so. Okay, last class what we have studied, that is unit 2, bonds of love, lesson name maternity. Okay, so this is a very interesting lesson. So the lesson tells about the peaceful existence of human beings in this largely world depends on the love of bonds of love among them. So in this world we need love, sacrifice, truth, peace, love. So these only strengthen this bond. Okay, without this we cannot live a life in a complete way. Okay, so this is a story about a boy who was in the Armenian refugee camp. Okay, so the boy was going to the Armenian refugee camp. Refugee means, I told you, the people will exit from the country due to war and violence. Okay, so that is refugee. So what happened, this boy was going, there are number of people going to settle in the Armenian refugee camp. So this boy was very small boy. Okay, so what happened, we will see that. Okay, so in the Armenian village, the boy was going and seeing there are different kinds of people. People are there, the richest and the poor. The richest are settled in tents. The poor, they were settled in the ruined sheds. Okay, so both, whether they are poor or rich, both they are leading a miserable life. Okay, both they are leading a miserable life. And most of the men are ready to work in the camp. Why? Because they have to feed they have to provide food for their children. So whatever work they having, they are working in the camp. And then what happened? The first character is the Mikhail. Mikhail is a small boy. He is not a old man or middle-aged man. He was a small boy. His mother was died, so he was carrying his brother on his back of the back. Okay, he was carrying a back of his body. Okay, and then what happened? The newborn baby was crying. So he cannot do any work also. If the boy is able to do any work, he can take food for him and he will provide the food for the baby also. But he has what? No job. So what happened? So he was carrying the baby. He cannot do the work properly. And then what happened? So Mikhail was suffered very much. Okay, without having work and without having proper food. So he was very struggling. Okay, and then what happened? The baby was always crying. Okay, often crying. This was irritated. The baby was often crying. This was irritated by the Armenian refugees. There are a number of people around him. So the baby was crying, keep on crying. The Armenian refugee got very irritated. Okay, and then some people think the baby would want to die. Okay, they don't want to they wish the baby would die. Okay, and then what happened? Mikhail also terribly troubled by the incessant cries of the baby. And then what happened? All of them listened to the cries of the child with irritation. Okay, no one likes the baby. And then what happened? The woman stopped with their ears. No woman was ready to breastfeed the baby. The woman should have taken care of the baby. So the boy was carrying a 3 months or a newborn baby. Okay, so it needs milk. Okay, but no woman is ready to give the feeding. Okay, breastfeeding. They are not ready to give milk to the child. And then what happened? And then what happened? The woman of the years, no woman was ready to breastfeed the baby. The woman should have taken care of the baby. What made Michali go to the camp of the Anatolians? Okay, so what happened? Suddenly he was going to another camp. What is it? Anatolian refugee camp. First he was in Armenian refugee camp, and now he was going to Anatolian refugee camp. Why? Because no one is caring for him. So he want to move from this place. And then what happened? Somebody has told Michali that there was a nursing mother in the Anatolian camp. So somebody has told him that there is a mother is there, nursing mother is there in the Anatolian camp. He thought that she might take pity on the child and breastfeed the baby. So what he was thinking, so the nursing mother would show pity on his baby, and sometimes she might be breastfeed the baby also. He thought like that, and he went to the Anatolian refugee camp. Michali did not stop when the old woman rose to ask him what he wanted to because. So what happened when now what happened? Michali is going to the Anatolian camp, and then what is his reaction? What is his reaction of Michali, that boy? He was very tired. The boy was very, very tired. He heard the wailing of the infant. So the baby was keep on crying. Okay, he was hearing the sound of the baby is crying. He wanted to see the nursing mother. So Michali wanted to see the nursing mother. That's why he went to the Anatolian refugee camp. He didn't like the women. So he wanted to see the nursing mother. So the women in the Armenian camp is not good. So you want to see the nursing mother. She was in the Anatolian camp. And then why was Michali happy? The nursing mother wanted to see Michali's kid. So what happened? He was going to the Anatolian camp. In there he was see that nursing woman. Okay, nursing woman. Okay, did you understand? Or did you understand the story? So the boy was in Armenian refugee camp, and now he was going to the Anatolian refugee camp. Why? Because in the Armenian camp there is no one caring for the baby. So he want to shift the place from Armenian to Anatolian refugee camp. He saw the nursing mother. Okay, and then what happened? She asked Michali. So now that nursing mother saw the Michali, and she asked Michali whether it was a boy or girl. So that nursing mother was asking, enquiring questions to the Michali. What she was asking, whether the baby was a boy or girl. He thought she would help him. This made Michali happy. So that Michali thought that this nursing woman will help his baby. Okay, so he was very, very happy. Why did the women give vent to cries of horror? The child was very ugly to look at it. had an enormous head and a thin and shriveled body. It had a swollen thumb too. Seeing all these, the women gave vent to cries of horror. So what happened? So in when he was going to Anatolian camp, the only the nursing mother only affectionately see the baby, but rest of the other women are very fear to see the baby. Why? Because the child was very ugly. Okay, not pretty, ugly. It had an enormous head. So what happened? The child has no food for a period of time. Okay, for 1 week or 3 weeks, like that. So not proper food. So what happened? The child's head is very enormous, big, and the body was very thin. So the swollen thumb, okay, the thumbs and all very swollen. And then what happened? Seeing this picture, seeing that baby's body, some women are running out of the place. Some are horror to see the baby. Why did he feel immensely alone and lost? The women chased him away and returning. There was nobody to help him. The child was crying all the time. He knew the child was condemned to die of hunger. So he felt immensely lone and lost. So Mikali felt very lonely. Why? Because the women, when they see the baby, they are going away. Okay, they are fear to see the baby. They are going away from the child. And what happened? He knew the child was very hunger. Okay, hunger. So what if the child is not having a food for period of time, he would die. Okay, so he thought like that. So sometimes the child may be die. The boy thought like that. So he felt immensely alone and lost. So no one is helping the small boy. Okay, no one is helping the small boy. Why did he sob? Sob means cry noisily. Okay, sob means cry noisily. Okay, so he would have to rake about in the garbage to get something to eat. Life seems to him full of horrors. So he sobbed desperately. So sometimes he was going to the garbage, okay, wastage place, okay, the wastage of putting in the garbage, no, that is in that place he was searching for something to eat. Okay, he has no food. And then what happened? Life seems to him full of horrors. So he was helpless, hopeless. Okay, he was helpless and hopeless. So and then what happened? So here one beautiful character is coming, that is Chinaman. Okay, so one man is coming. The character name is not given here, they mention as a Chinaman. Okay, so unlike the refugees, the Chinaman is kind and compassionate. So all the refugees in the camp are very unkind. Okay, they are not in a affectionate way, but one man he is called Chinaman. So he is very kind and compassionate. So the first character is Mikali, and now Chinaman is coming. There is a nursing mother is there. So the baby is there. So is the other character. This character is Chinaman. So this Chinaman was very kind and compassionate. When the woman saw her husband and Mikali, this Chinaman saw that Mikali, okay, and take him to her home. Okay, the Chinaman met Mikali and took him to his home. Okay, And then when the so now the Chinaman's wife, okay, the Chinaman's wife was seeing both her husband and the Mikali at her home. When she was seeing her husband and Mikali, her face is become reddened. Okay, his face is become reddened. Then a happy smile appeared on her face. She made a brief courtesy to them. So the boy was carrying a baby. She didn't know why this boy has come. So he don't know what reason her husband took him this boy. And then what happened? Then a happy smile appeared on her face. Okay. So what happened? Happy smile. Anyway, I will help them. Like that he thought, and she was happy. So another one, when she saw the baby, the Chinaman's wife saw the baby, she gave out of a cry of pity, and then she pressed the child to her heart and gave it the breast. Okay. So what happened? The Chinaman wife, as soon as see the baby, the wife was very sympathetic. Sympathetic means pity. Okay. For example, if you are seeing a beggar, sometimes how would we feel? Oh, very pity, like that. So this woman was very pity of that baby, and what she was doing, she suddenly took the baby, and she was having that baby in her arm, and she was giving feeding the baby. Okay, so up to that we have seen that next class we will continue this same chapter. So this is a very interesting lesson. Okay, how the boy was suffering. Okay, after coming to the Armenian camp. If he came alonely, no problem. He would have worked and he will get the money from the workplace. But he lost his mother, and he was carrying his baby. It's difficult to work in that Armenian camp. And then what happened? He was went to the Anatolian refugee camp, and there only he was met the Chinaman, and the Chinaman and the Mikali went to the Chinaman's took him to his house, and the wife was taking care of the child. Okay, so this is a beautiful lesson. Read out the lesson fully, carefully, then you will understand everything. We will continue this same lesson. I will sum up that same lesson. Okay, so until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.